The next element of technical SEO is making sure you have no broken links. Broken links are when you have links within your content that lead to nowhere because the linked web page is no longer reachable. And these dead links could be within your website or external sites. Broken links can really adversely impact your search engine rankings. Search engines struggle to understand your site structure if you have links that lead to nowhere. Plus, your web visitors will also find it frustrating to find broken links and they will move away from your website. So, you have to make sure you update broken links and replace them with links that do work. The reason why this happens usually is if you're linking to an external web page that no longer exists or has had its URL or permalink changed. And this can be true for internal links too. You may have deleted some content that you had pointers to from elsewhere within your website, or you may have modified the slug. So you need to use a broken links checker tool and run a check from time to time, say at least once a month or so. You can use a free tool like the one that Ahrefs provides for checking broken links by navigating to ahrefs.com/broken-link-checker. It's pretty intuitive to use. You simply stick in your website over here and click on check broken links. Right, so it has detected 2 broken links on this website, 2 links that do not exist. And so all you need to do is go back. This is the content. This is the page on which this broken link has been found. So you can navigate to your website and fix these and replace them with other links